Hello, and welcome to Grow on YouTube with Porshia. I have been on YouTube for a very long time, since 2011, June of 2011, and I still haven't quite accomplished what I want to accomplish on YouTube. So that's why I created this channel. I really want us to grow. I really want us to achieve our goals. So I've been researching, I've been studying other YouTubers, I've even been watching other self-help channels, I've been checking out books from the library, and even reading online books and listening to audiobooks. So I'm really diving into this very deeply. This is one of my biggest passions in life. I really want to do this. And if you guys are interested, I would like to help you as well. While I am going through this journey, I would like to bring you along with me. So on this day that I am sitting down to record my first batch of videos, I have already been studying YouTube for over a year, and I'm ready to dive in. Are you with me? I truly believe that we can do this. So let's put one foot in front of the other and make it happen. Let's grow. Peace.